Morning, Victor. Morning, Amy. It's Daddy again. Yeah, Daddy's going to get ready for work soon. So, yeah, I'm going to record this song so that you will learn more from Daddy. Okay? Yeah. Victor, remember, this is also one of your favorite classics. And Amy, if you want to learn this, also refer to your brother. Okay? Or ask mom. Okay? Mom will know this as well. All right? One, two, buckle my shoe. Three, four, open the door. Five, six, get a sticks. Seven, eight, get it again. Nine, 10, a goodbye hand. 11, 12, turn it around. Okay? Now, one more time. One, two, buckle my shoe. Three, four, open the door. Five, six, get a stick. Seven, eight, turn it around. Eight, nine, 10, a goodbye hand. 11, 12, say it again. Okay? Right. I hope you enjoy this. Okay? Right. That is going to go soon. Okay? Hopefully, we can all go traveling again one day. Okay? Love you, Victor. Love you, Amy. Love mommy too. Okay? Bye.